So one of the things we can do is we can have our game here and we see we have our menu screen. We can actually do something really cool. We can actually show the user right away what the game uh, is supposed to do and how it's supposed to be played. So, but first, let's go and let's copy this here. And I'm actually going to clone the object type, and I'm going to simply put this here. And this is going to be just simply, we're going to call this game title. When it comes to titles, it always takes a long time for me to figure it out here. So I'm actually going to make this probably 150, and there we go. And I'm going to shorten this so that we can make it as small as we possibly can. Okay. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to simply copy um, copy a lot of this here. And what I'm going to do is I have to go over to my game screen. Is I'm simply going to copy these, okay? And I'm going to go back into my menu. And I'm going to paste them in here, okay? And if we run this right now, you see that does nothing. What I want to do is have all of the circles kind of flow in to this here, and that's actually really cool because it's showing the user uh, the tutorial on the menu screen. Anytime you can combine and make things easier to understand in a visual way without text is actually really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop over into our game sheet here, and we have to find the rotation here. And where do we put that in here? So I believe it's in some kind of every tick here. So yeah, Goldblock's family is going to be rotating degrees. So I'm going to copy that here, go to the menu sheet here, and I'm going to go to System, every tick, and I'm going to paste that in here. Now when you run it here, and we have to, and this is actually kind of annoying, but you have to select the right screen that you want here. Okay, now another problem, and this is why we test, is that remember when we copy these over, we actually copied them within the family. So let's hop back into the family here, and let's go into families, and let's go into Goldblock family, and we can actually we can go to edit here, and we're going to just remove all of the buttons here. And I'm just actually pushing control. And you want to just make sure that we're removing all the buttons here. And that should be it. Let's run that again. There we go. So that actually looks quite nice. And you can see here that even on the title screen, it's going to go and add that in here. So this is part one of part two tutorial. The reason is that in order to make sure that the dots work out, I'm going to have to put that in its own tutorial. This concludes the tutorial.